Yeah, I'm heading the research at Patrizia for 6 years now. We are a pan-European, I would say, asset manager coming or starting from the German residential sector. We are now present in, we have about 12 billion euros assets under management. We are present in Germany, given historically. We have an office in the UK, we are present in Denmark and Sweden, we are in France. So our interest is, I would say, commercial and residential, 50-50, the portfolio split between residential and commercial. We have residential investments in Germany and in the Nordics. We are currently operating with Andrew outside a new platform outside the UK because we see the potential in the residential market in the UK, and that's more or less the short overview of what Patrizia is doing.
Okay, great. Mark.
Thank you. So I'm Mark Collins, Chairman of Residential here at CBRE in London. I'm very fortunate to run a fantastic residential team. Just in terms of numbers, we're a team in London of about 76 people. In CBRE across the UK, we're about 150. And the important thing for us in terms of the service offering to our clients is we cover the whole spectrum. We like to call it our 360-degree service. The only gap we had up until literally 2 weeks ago was around affordability and viability, and we've just recruited a very nice lady called Isabella Slattery to sort of fill that part of our offering. Our business is very focused around new developments and investments. We have a very strong lettings and management platform. Obviously we have Alex, who's in the audience, who will talk about PRS, as I think Jen referred to earlier. So our sort of profile of buyers, our customers are about 50% UK, 50% international. As a business, we're out talking and travelling quite often. I'm out in the Middle East in about 4 weeks' time. We have various roadshows going off to Asia over the next 5 to 6 weeks. But sort of new developments and high net worth buyers is very much our focus.
Great, thank you. John.
Thank you. John German, I'm Director of Residential Investment in the European Real Estate team at Invesco. I joined in April last year, having previously worked at the Grosvenor. Invesco Real Estate forms part of Invesco's global investment management business. Our business is purely about managing third-party money for institutional and retail investors. Currently, globally, we have about $55 billion, so it's not real money, under management, of which about 20 billion is in real estate equities. The rest is in debt-direct real estate. In our US business, we currently have about $6 billion of multifamily under management, probably making us one of the largest multifamily institutional managers of multifamily in the US. In our Asian business, we also develop residential and have a track record of developing residential across the region. We started our journey on European residential last year, making our first investment in Germany, in Frankfurt, which was announced in the press in October of last year. We continue to grow that business and are now turning our eyes to the UK and some of the other European countries as they offer interesting dynamics for residential investment. We also have a large portfolio of commercial assets and also alternatives in the hotel sector as well. So multi-sector and multifaceted.
Great, thank you. Mark.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm Mark Weedon. I run what we call our alternative real estate indices at IPD. That's anything that's non-core, so non-core institutional investment, which the market considers to be office, retail, industrial in the property sector. IPD are global leaders in the performance measurement and analysis and benchmarking of large-scale professionally managed property investments. And as I say, anything outside of core areas falls under my remit.